Your first Thanksgiving turkey, a step-by-step guide to oven roasting perfection. Hosting your first Thanksgiving at your new place is an exciting milestone, and the star of the meal is undoubtedly the turkey. Cooking a 10-12 pounds bird to golden perfection may seem daunting, but with proper planning and the right products, you'll wow your guests. This guide will take you through the process step by step, starting from the Monday before Thanksgiving. The essentials you'll need: turkey, 10 to 12 pounds, fresh or thawed if frozen. Flavor injection: Tony Chachere's Cajun Butter Injectable Marinade. Brine kit: Kinder's Butcher's Turkey Brine Kit with brining bag. Buttery Poultry Blend, 11.25 ounces. Seasoning: Tony Chachere's Original Creole Seasoning, 8 ounce. A roasting pan with a rack, meat thermometer, kitchen twine, and aluminum foil. Monday, the prep begins. Thaw your turkey. If your turkey is frozen, place it in the refrigerator to thaw. Allow 24 hours for every 4 or 5 pounds of turkey. For a 10-12 pounds turkey, you'll need 3 days. Tip: keep the turkey in its original packaging and place it on a tray to catch any drippings. Gather your supplies. Ensure you have the brine kit, flavor injection, and any roasting tools you'll need. Tuesday, brining the turkey. Prepare the brine. Follow the instructions on Kinder's Butcher's Turkey Brine Kit. Boil water and dissolve the brine mix before letting it cool completely. Brine the turkey. Place the turkey in the brining bag provided in the kit. Pour the cooled brine over the turkey, ensuring it is fully submerged. Seal the bag, place it in a large container, and refrigerate for 12-24 hours. Wednesday, flavor injection and seasoning. Remove and rinse. Take the turkey out of the brine and rinse thoroughly to remove excess salt. Pat dry with paper towels. Inject the marinade. Using Tony Chachere's Cajun Butter Injectable Marinade, inject the turkey in several spots: breast, thighs, and drumsticks. This adds moisture and bold flavor to every bite. Season the skin. Rub Tony Chachere's Original Creole Seasoning generously over the turkey skin for an extra layer of flavor. Refrigerate overnight. Place the turkey uncovered in the fridge to let the skin dry. This helps achieve a crisp golden brown finish during roasting. Thursday, Thanksgiving Day morning prep. Bring to room temperature. Remove the turkey from the fridge about an hour before cooking to bring it to room temperature. This ensures even cooking. Truss the turkey. Use kitchen twine to tie the legs together and tuck the wings under the bird. This promotes even cooking. Cooking the turkey. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast the turkey. Place the turkey breast side up on a roasting rack in a pan. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the breast without touching the bone. Roast for approximately 15 minutes per pound, which for a 10-12 pounds turkey is about 3.5 hours. Monitor and baste. Baste the turkey every 30 minutes with pan drippings. If the skin browns too quickly, cover the turkey loosely with aluminum foil. Check for doneness. The turkey is done when the thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the breast and 175 degrees Fahrenheit in the thigh. Rest and serve. Rest the turkey. Let the turkey rest for 20-30 minutes after removing it from the oven. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat tender and juicy. Carve and enjoy. Carve the turkey and serve with your favorite sides for a memorable Thanksgiving feast. Final tips for success. Start early and stick to the timeline to avoid last-minute stress. Use a meat thermometer to ensure perfectly cooked meat without guesswork. Don't skip resting the turkey. It's essential for moist, flavorful meat. Make this Thanksgiving unforgettable. Your first Thanksgiving turkey will set the tone for your new holiday traditions. With the help of Tony Chachere's Marinade, Kinder's Brine Kit, and seasoning, you'll create a turkey that's juicy, flavorful, and unforgettable. You've got this. Happy Thanksgiving. Adjusting cooking time for larger turkeys. When roasting a turkey larger than 12 pounds, the cooking time increases proportionally based on its weight. Here's a helpful guide for cooking times at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. 10-12 pounds, 3 to 3.5 hours. 12-15 pounds, 3.5 to 4 hours. 15-20 pounds, 4 to 4.5 hours. 20-24 pounds, 4.5 to 5 hours. Important tips. Use a meat thermometer. Always check the internal temperature. The turkey is done when the breast reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit and the thigh reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Baste strategically. Basting every 30 minutes helps prevent the turkey from drying out. Rest the bird. No matter the size, let the turkey rest for 20-30 minutes after roasting to lock in the juices. By planning the cooking time based on weight and monitoring the temperature, even larger turkeys will turn out perfectly golden and juicy. Happy Thanksgiving from Learn More University.